So we are studying the worksheet 11. Worksheet 11. We have to see the worksheet 11 and we are solving that sheet D. Answer the following. D. Answer the following. Answer the following, and in which we are solving the question number 4 in the D section, and we are solving the question number 4. Explain the 3 layers of soil. Which layer is good for plants? So answer is given in page number 66. You see the diagram and also try to understand the questions. So and the question is explain 3 layers of the soil. So the 3 layers of soil are. So 3 layers of the soil are: number 1 is topsoil. Number 1 is top soil. Number 1 is topsoil. So in topsoil, you have to write it is the uppermost layer of soil. So it is the uppermost. It is the uppermost little uppermost layer of soil. It is the uppermost layer of the soil. It is made up of it is made up of it is made up of fine sand and humus. Fine sand and humus. Now next you see which one is the subsoil. Next you see subsoil. Second layer is the subsoil. So you write in this layer is found just below the topsoil. This layer is found just below the topsoil. Just below the topsoil. This layer is sandy and contains small stones. This layer is sandy and contains small stones. stones. And now third layer. Third you see bedrock. Bed rock. This layer is found, or it is the lowest layer or the innermost layer. So you can write in such way this layer is found just below. So this layer is found just below the subsoil, just below the subsoil, and this layer contains stones. This layer contain stones and rocks. After writing this, one diagram is given in our book. So you draw this diagram from your book, that is given on page number 66. In page number 66, it is given the diagram of the first layer of the soil, more written in this question. So other portion of which layer is good for the plants? Which layer is good for plants? So as you know, top soil or the which layer is good for plant? So uppermost layer, you can write the uppermost layer, uppermost layer, you can write in bracket topsoil. At the top soil uh, is good for plants, is good for plants. So this is the question fourth. So you can write next question. So the three layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil, and the bedrock. Topsoil, it is the uppermost layer of the soil. It is the made up of fine sand and the humus. Next, after the just below the topsoil, second layer is there. This is called subsoil. This layer is found just below the topsoil. This layer is sandy and contains small stones. And next on the bedrock, this layer is found just below the subsoil. This layer contains stones and rocks. And so uppermost layer, it is called topsoil, is good for the plant, or we can say that this is the best for the plant. So now you write next question. You see the next question, question of fifth. Now see next question fourth. What is question fourth? What we have to see, that is the fourth. What is soil erosion? Next question, question number fifth. You see the fifth. What is soil erosion? So soil erosion. So the removal of the removal of top fertile soil, top fertile soil by sun, wind or water is called soil erosion. Is called soil erosion. So the removal of top fertile soil by sun, wind or water is called soil erosion. So that's for today. One question remains. So we will discuss this question tomorrow. We write this question tomorrow. Thank you. That's for today.